In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use margin on Thinkorswim. Before you place any margin trade, the first thing to do is make sure your brokerage account has margin enabled. If your account is currently set up as a cash account, you'll need to apply for margin with your broker first. Approval is not automatic, and it depends on eligibility requirements, so it's important to confirm that this feature is active before moving forward. Once that's taken care of, open the Thinkorswim platform. You can use the desktop version or the mobile app, then sign in to your brokerage account. If you have both a live account and a paper trading account available, make sure you're in the correct one, especially if you want to place a real trade rather than a simulated one. Next, check your buying power. In Thinkorswim, go to the account info or monitor section and review the key account values. Pay close attention to your margin buying power, available funds, net liquidation value, and maintenance requirement. These numbers help you understand how much purchasing power you actually have and how much room is available before entering a trade. After that, find a margin eligible security. Use the search field to enter the ticker symbol for the stock or ETF you want to trade. Keep in mind that not every security qualifies for margin. Eligibility depends on brokerage policies and regulatory rules, so this is something to verify as you go. When you're ready, create your order by selecting buy or sell to open the order entry screen. Enter the number of shares, choose your order type, such as market or limit, and set the time in force, like day or good till canceled, if that option is available. Before continuing, review everything carefully so the order matches your plan. Now take a moment to review the buying power effect. Before submitting, check how the trade will affect your account. Look at the remaining buying power, the initial margin requirement, and the estimated maintenance requirement. This gives you a clearer picture of how much leverage you're using. If everything looks right, click Confirm and Send to review the order one more time, then select Send to place the trade. If your account has enough margin buying power, borrowed funds are generally used automatically when needed. After the order fills, monitor the position closely. Watch your unrealized profit and loss, buying power, account equity, and maintenance margin. These values can change quickly as the market moves. You also need to watch for margin calls. If your equity drops below the required maintenance level, your broker may require you to deposit funds, add eligible securities, or close positions. In some cases, positions may be liquidated without prior notice. When you're ready to exit, go to the Monitor tab, select the position, create a closing order, then review and submit it. Any borrowed funds are generally repaid from the sale proceeds, although interest or any remaining margin balance may still apply.